Assalamu alaikum. Guys, it's Ramadan day 13 and I'm on my way out, so I'm about to take you guys out with me. Welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, welcome to my new subscribers. Even if you haven't subscribed yet, I know you're going to subscribe now. So kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below. And I'm going to see you when I see you. Let's go. Good evening. Thank you, Vanity, for the comment. Or the owner of the. When will he be around also? Guys, I'm back and I'm going to insert the lead so I was able to vlog, or should I say I was able to film this vlog. I feel so stressed already, as you can see on my face. So I'm about to go and prepare iftar. I'm going to see after I prepare it, because I don't know if I'm going to be able to film it, but if I'm going to be able to film it, you're going to see the process. But I'll see you when I see it. Guys, I was supposed to upload this particular video just that day 13, but I was so tired. I worked a lot and I couldn't do it, so I just decided to merge this video. Guys, I so much love taking this, which I decided to share this with you guys today. All you need is yogurt and a powdered milk. So I just put my yogurt in a cup and added powdered milk to it, then mix it well and try it. Just taste it, try it out, and let me know down in the comment section what you think about it. How does it taste? And guys, it's so refreshing and it's good. I'm not even kidding. So for iftar day 15, I made jollof spag, I made moi moi and pap. So guys, I am on my way to the mosque to go and pray Tarawih. I won't be taking you guys along because my battery is low, so I'm going to be charging my phone at home, and I will see you guys when I'm back. Guys, because today makes half of fasting. The way they prayed at the mosque today was different. Like the second rakah was just Allah Ahad, and when they were praying weekly, they prayed a lot, and I'm glad I went. I'm glad I didn't just stay at home. I'm glad to experience it, because I'm sure I have experienced it before, but memories you can't remember. But now I'm documenting this so for future purpose. The next thing I want to do is to go and eat. It's So guys, I'm going to be ending this vlog here today, because I have to edit it this night and upload it this night. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.